sometimes shit happens and it happens in the perfect timing, I suppose. Anyway, I'm not trying to like ramble too much, but y'all know I've been on this quest lately to define my best life and live my best life, whether that be physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. Part of that is creating a space that I love. That means doing some redecorating, right? And I've been putting it off because money is a thing and I've been feeling uninspired. But I feel like everything happens when it's supposed to happen, right? I was getting dressed a few minutes ago, sat on my bed broke. You see it has these wooden supports right here that holds up the slats. Well, this wooden support here is broken, like completely. And this isn't the first time it did this. With this recent break just being here, I don't even really want it no more. I'm just like, take this bed. I'm tired of it. Furniture ain't cheap. It's Memorial Day weekend and a lot of furniture stores are having sales, and Wayfair has a really big sale going on right now. I feel like with getting a new bed, like why not upgrade my complete room? Let me show y'all the beds that I see. Look at the price, $177.99. Like, you can't beat that. This was originally a $709 bed. And then there's this one, kind of similar, kind of gives like an industrial feel. Then there's this one, again, metal, wood, mixed materials, same thing. This one's $162, but it doesn't have that little footboard piece, which I really don't mind. I ain't mad at that. Actually, kind of like this a lot. Disregard my room. I look a little crazy right now just because it's been a week. What I kind of have in mind is I want to do an accent wall on this wall here behind my bed. I want to get a nightstand to go right here just to replace this plant stand that I have my promulgated monstera leaves on. And then I'll probably move that plant stand over here. I don't think I'm going to replace my desk. What I want to do is maybe paint it. Just want that to look a little bit better. As opposed to having my desk on this wall, I might move it on that wall there just so I have a little bit more walking space coming into my room. Those are my ideas for right now. Oh my gosh. Yo, Amazon just be playing with my packages. So it's been an eventful past couple of days. And I actually did order my bed. Super excited about it. I ordered it on Sunday night and it said that it would be here by Friday. Today is Tuesday. I kind of want to go ahead and prepare my space. Today, I guess my goal is to, one, find someone to come move my bed frame. Like, I want to go ahead and get this bed out of the way because if I do move forward with doing the accent wall, I have to worry about like maneuvering around it, trying to like move it out of the way. And I also want to figure out what I'm going to do with that wall. So I've been doing some research on like peel and stick wallpaper. When you remove it, it could peel off the top layer of paint. It could just damage the walls. I thought about doing like a faux lime wash paint situation back there. I actually need to call my leasing office to find out whether or not I can paint. Umamas.
Hello.
Para continuar en español, oprime el 8.
We're busy helping other customers right now. To leave a message for our office, press 5 and a representative.
I'll just call him back a little bit later. Anyway, I'm hungry. Let's go eat.
This is Nathan.
Hi, I just have a quick question.
Mm-hmm.
Are we allowed to paint?
Yeah, absolutely. If you guys wanted to paint one of the rooms, you're welcome to. Now, of course, the only thing I do have to mention that when you move out, we would need the walls either repainted back to the same color or primed and ready to be painted with all holes in the unit patched up. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Thank you. This is my first time getting the iced chai latte from Panera. Wow. I usually get mine from Starbucks. So I got my paint question answered. So I may go pick up some samples.
trying to do like this lime wash concrete effect situation, but I'm not really sure if like I'm liking it. I'm trying to trust the process at this point. I'm having to actually paint one section at a time because my bed is still here. I'm having to paint around it. I really was hoping to have the bed moved today so that it's out of my way, but since I can't have it moved until tomorrow, I'm just doing what I can do. But my nightstand just arrived, so I have to go pick that up from the front office. So we have parcel lockers in our neighborhood, and they delivered my nightstand to the parcel lockers, and I'm just like, why'd y'all do that? It has me thinking that when they come to deliver my bed, they're gonna deliver it to the front office as well, and I'm gonna be so pissed off. I'm so tired. I'm like so tired. I've been working on this all day long. I still have the very top portion of the wall to do. I've been putting it off primarily because I don't have a step stool to reach up there. So I just ordered one from Target. I'm about to run and pick that up and try to get this whole wall done tonight. I really want to get it done tonight. That way I don't have to worry about painting anymore. Whew. I'm tired, y'all. I'm tired. It's 10 p.m. I have that one little area left, and I don't know if I have the energy left in me to complete it. Man, I hope when I take this tape off, it's not a mess. I hope there's nice straight lines behind this tape and everything comes out perfect. Got my nightstand, and it's time to put this bad boy together. I'm so pissed. You remember how the other day when I was like, it has me thinking that when they come to deliver my bed, they're gonna deliver it to the front office as well, and I'm gonna be so pissed off. Well, guess what they did? What does that say? This package is 70 pounds, bro. And I'm sure it's long, and I drive a Honda Accord. Guess what they did?
Are you serious?
Yes. They dropped the bed at the front office. I'm like, y'all could have at least brought it to the building and left it downstairs. Like,
Right.
I'm so damn annoyed. Yo, my heart is literally beating out of my chest right now. Oh my God, that wasn't a whole ordeal. There ain't no way that box is only 70 pounds. It gotta be a good 170. Like, ain't no way. I did it. I got the bed in the house. I need to rest for a second, and then we're gonna get started on putting it together. Now that it's up, I can't say that I'm 100% satisfied. I would say on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm maybe like a 7, 6.5. I wasn't really expecting the bed to be so low. I was expecting the headboard to just be a little bit higher on the wall. Like, you see all that empty wall space above the headboard? My belly button is taller than the headboard. So that just kind of gives you an idea of how low the bed is. Do I love the way it looks up against my accent wall? Absolutely. I'm still satisfied with the way that it's coming together as a whole. I just kind of wish the bed was a little bit higher. Yo, I am so tired. I promise, I swear to God, that bed tried to take me out, but I survived. And now it's time that I get some rest, because it's been a day. Y'all, my room is completely done. I can't even form the words to tell you how excited I am that this process is finished. Like, when I tell you this has been the longest week of my life, today makes exactly a week since I even came up with this brilliant idea of redoing my space. And when I tell you, I'm so freaking obsessed with how it came out. But when I tell you, blood, sweat, and tears went into this project, blood, sweat, and actual tears went into this project. Now, is it perfect? Is it exactly how I wanted it? No, but whatever is. But I'm completely in love. I ended up not having to spend a lot of money. A lot of the decor I already had over just buying stuff throughout the year. To save on money, I decided to do a couple of DIY projects as well. The wall art that I have in here, I actually did myself. I knew going into the project that I wanted some black and white matted portraits of myself, so I literally hit Dollar Tree, picked up some 8x10 frames. I printed out those photos of myself in black and white, and then I used my Cricut machine and cardstock to cut out the mats for those. I literally just threw all of that in a frame and just hung it up. The textured canvas that I made, that was a little bit more of an investment. I had to actually go to Michael's and pick up the canvas. I picked up the Drydex plaster from Lowe's and just some black acrylic paint, and it literally took me no time to make that. My self-portrait gallery, I decided to hang that on the wall like right above my desk, and of course I wanted to use the textured canvas on the accent wall. Just another renter-friendly hack that I've been doing for years. I just always use thumbtacks to hang my canvases, as well as like my small or medium-sized frames. It's never given me an issue, and I've been doing it for years. With larger wall art like the canvas here, I'll maybe use 2 thumbtacks spaced apart. That way it has a little bit of extra support, but again, it never falls. And I also picked up that wall light from Amazon as well. It's battery operated, so no wiring required, and it's LED. It has a remote control. It adds like a little bit of a luxury feel. Love the way it looked. I thought it would look perfect on my accent walls. 100% pleased with my purchase. If you know me, you know I love cognac leather. Like, cognac is my favorite color right now. Came across these cognac faux leather throw covers. Literally had to have them. I picked up a couple of throw pillows, 18 by 18 from Crate and Barrel, and I'm obsessed with how that elevated my bed. Like, love it so much. I can sit here and talk about this room all day. I'm so in love with how everything came out. It feels really good to actually see the fruit of your labor. I'm actually finishing up right before I'm supposed to meet one of my friends for dinner. I honestly regret making those plans because all I want to do right now is just sit in my newly designed room and just take in the sights, enjoy a good movie and chill. But food is essential also, so I'm about to go ahead and get dressed and head out to dinner. But I just wanted to show y'all my room before I left out. I appreciate you for sticking through this video. I hope you like my room as much as I love it. Hope I was able to give you a little bit of inspiration along the way. Scrolling down the page a little bit more, find a subscribe button, click subscribe. Click that bell icon right beside the subscribe button. That way you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Also, check out the description box. There you'll find links to a lot of the stuff that I showed in this video. You'll also find links to all of my social medias. That way you can follow me wherever I am. And again, I appreciate you guys so much. I'm out. Peace.